Hi guys, welcome to a 24 tutorial on XHTML. Yes, I missed out on 24 because I made two 23s. How stupid am I? So look, in this one all we're going to do is just going to have a paragraph and we have a header, right? I'm just going to show you that you can style both of these at the same time. So we put P, comma H3 and we put color dash blue, okay? So we save that and run and launch that in Firefox. What should we get? Let's have a look. If Firefox hurries up, there you go. We get this. Both in the same color. We have our paragraph and we have our heading. Okay. Now we can actually change this up. We can add more into it. I have them here already, ready for you. If I paste these in, we can have a background color of pink or any color you want, and we can give it any sort of pattern that we want. Okay. So if I save that, and let's go back in and just refresh our page, and hey presto, look at that. There's your pink. Right, there's your size, your pattern, and you have everything there for you. So you can mess around here and add things in, borders, etc, etc. But I'm just going to show you this. I'm not going to take up all your time doing these lectures because obviously you can get the grips of this all the way through what I've been doing so far. So again, to do two, paragraph, you've got your head tree, then you put in your color, you can put in your background color, and put in padding. And that's all I have for you in this in number 24, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, guys. Bye bye.